Judge is set to hear arguments regarding a Texas school district's punishment of a black teen for his hairstyle. Daryl George is a high school junior just outside of Houston. And for most of this school year, he's been on suspension or in a disciplinary program for violating the district's dress code. His hair, they say, is too long. His family has filed a complaint and a civil rights lawsuit against the Texas governor and attorney general for not enforcing a law they say protects their child. Kelsey Kernstein has been following today's trial. Kelsey, you're hearing that this judge is up against a whole lot of pressure, and the ruling could have far-wide implications across the state of Texas.
Yeah, Markie, that is exactly right. So this judge could face a lot of scrutiny and backlash on the outcome of this case. And of course, there's going to be a lot of people watching this. We spoke to the attorney who crafted the Crown Act and says that if the George family wins this case, there's about 500 districts in Texas who may need to amend their boys-only dress code policies. A junior high school student, Daryl George, has been disciplined for the majority of the school year at Barbers Hill High School. His punishment comes after school officials in August of last year stated that George's twisted dreadlocks on top of his head were in violation of the school's dress code. Per the school's handbook, it specifically regulates the length of boys' hair. It states that it should not exceed the eyebrows or earlobes.
Why should we have to cut his hair?
That's right.
Why? Like, really, why? His hair is not affecting his education. They have many mothers out here that's pushing, trying to get their kids to go to school.
That's right.
I have a son, 18 years old, that wants to go to school, that wants to get his education, and y'all messing with him. Why?
It's just been stressful. It's just been angering and frustrating because why me out of everybody in that school? Why me?
So George's family here is arguing that this punishment violates the Crown Act in Texas, which Governor Greg Abbott signed into law last May. Now, the law prohibits any race-based hair discrimination in the workplace, schools, and housing facilities. However, some school officials have argued that the act does not address hair length. But lawmakers involved in drafting the act have said its very purpose is to protect hairstyles like George's. Now, the district superintendent, this is very interesting, has said that the punishment is not over George's hair, but for reasons they would not disclose. Now, we were told if the district loses here in this case, they will appeal it. Markie?
Yeah, that family demanding answers. You're on top of it. Kelsey Kernstein, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.